Hello, it's Gem Games here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to make the mouse to be centered to the viewport when you create a widget. As you can see, I created this upgrade window widget, and my mouse spawned here, and sometimes it spawns here, and so on. I will show you how to make it always spawn to the center. So yeah, let's get started. First, you want to go to the blueprint where you create the widget, or to the widget blueprint itself. I will go to the widget blueprint this time. So let's open it. And here on the event construct, I have the set game paused and show mouse cursor. Let's move this show mouse cursor a little bit further. And let's create a new function. Let's call this center mouse to viewport or something like that. Okay. And now what we want to do here, we want to right click and we want to get viewport size like this. Then we want to get from this and we want to divide. And we want to divide the x by 2 and y by 2. Then we want to split this and align them. And now we want to move them a little bit further down. Right click and get player controller like this. Now with the player controller, we want to set mouse position like this. Now let's connect it here. Now let's get the x to the x and it will truncate it because this is float and this is integer, and y also to here, the same thing. Now let's compile, save, and let's go to the event graph. Here now let's just add this function to here. And you can copy this function to all the blueprints that you need to do this thing. So if I will call like many widgets from my game mode, for example, I will most likely do this there, this function, create this there, and always call it from there. But you can call it from wherever you want. So now, when compile save and go to the play, we kill this enemy. You can see the mouse is centered to the viewport. So yeah, I think that was all for this video. If you liked what you saw, please click the like button and subscribe for more. Yeah, hope you have a great day and see you in the next one.